Travel Sim SM Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think roaming is expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when eSIM technology takes over. Travel Sim is a global eSIM provider that offers mobile data in multiple countries without swapping physical SIM cards. The surprising truth is that eSIM activation takes only minutes. Most people get this wrong. They forget to check phone compatibility. Travel Sim is best for international travelers. The surprising truth is that staying connected can be simple. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews that keep you online.